everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a dip. It's a slow cooker chicken queso dip, and so this one could be, like for Taco Tuesday as well. It is delicious, and it's got protein in it and stuff, so it's a meal, for real. So, my mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. Of course, she modified it for her food allergies, but you can follow the original recipe if you don't have any. So, yay! This one's good. I love cheese, and I love meat. So, great one for me. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Everyone, happy Monday. And as Yoda said, it's time for the Monday meal. This one is another dip in the slow cooker. This one we have on high for an hour to an hour and a half, just so everything melts. You can stir it a couple of times while it's cooking. I have it in the smaller slow cooker for the dip, but anyway, it is gonna be delicious, I think. So let me tell you what I have in there. We have, obviously, since it's a slow cooker chicken queso dip, we have chicken and cheese. So you're supposed to get 2 8-ounce blocks of cheddar cheese, chunk it up and put the chunks in there. Obviously, I can't do that since I'm allergic to dairy. So I got the vegan Violife cheddar cheese and I just put 2 bags of it in there. And then you do 4 ounces of cream cheese or sour cream if you don't have it. I had the Violife cream cheese and I just put the whole thing in there. It's 8 ounces, but it'll just make more. And then chicken. So a couple of cups of cooked shredded chicken. So I just use these cans of chicken. A couple of cans of chicken. And then it said tomatoes, fresh or canned. And then it said jalapenos. I don't have jalapenos, so I thought green chili is close enough. It'll make it spicy. So I used Rotel on that one. And then they wanted you to use black beans, rinsed and drained. I don't have any, so I use black-eyed peas. Those are lower in oxalates and carbs. So anyways, those are in there. And the last thing is 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. So I'm using Siete's. It's gluten-free. So 2 tablespoons of that. And then we're gonna put the lid on, let it melt together for an hour to an hour and a half, and then I'll show you the finished product. Obviously, you could also use this for Taco Tuesday since it's a dip. All right, so it is done, and it looks like Rotel kinda, but it is delicious. So give it a try, and maybe even use it for Taco Tuesday. And we'll see you again next week. Happy Monday.